Many lawyers don't get their desired job only based on their academic merit, though they have very good marks. Recruiters say that you need to have sufficient practical experience. Is it so important? Yes, it is. Hi budding lawyers, my name is Prasanna Naidu, and in this video I am going to share some tips as to why working while studying is important for law students. Why must you start working while studying? You can't learn swimming by reading a book on how to swim. You need to jump into water for that. Accordingly, until and unless you personally witness all the hustle which a lawyer goes through in court, in office, with the clients, etc., you won't understand the profession better. Trust me, especially in litigation, at least for few weeks or months at start, young lawyers don't understand much whatever is going on inside or around the courtrooms. But if you have solid amount of experience beforehand, then it will be helpful for you. You get to improve your language. To improve fluency in a language, you need to practice speaking it on a regular basis. While studying in college, usually you don't speak in English with your friends. But when you start working with advocates, you communicate with them in English. So it improves your fluency in the language. And you also get to know some commonly used legal terms. Example, ex parte, sub judice, prima facie. If you are into litigation, then you will also learn about traveling, especially in metro cities. There are many types of courts, and apart from them, there are tribunals, commissions, boards. So you come to know many things like which court is situated where, which is the most convenient travel option to reach there, at what time does the judge come, what type of matters are taken first in this court, etc. If you get good exposure and have hands-on experience, then your CV will stand out because the recruiters prefer those candidates who have more practical experience. So, what should you exactly do? From where should you start? Internships. Oops. No, not this movie. Internships. Start interning at an early stage, but go step by step. If you apply for an internship under a top-notch Supreme Court lawyer in your first year itself, then obviously you won't get it. When you are starting, go for sectors where basic knowledge will work and you won't be expected to know much about the legal field, like NGOs, startups, journalism, depending on your interest. Here, you will not learn much about law, but you will definitely learn new skills which will be helpful for your career ahead. Then, if you're planning for litigation, apply under those lawyers who have lots of cases. Here, you must start working with lawyers first who have more cases in the trial courts. Then go for lawyers who have more cases in the appellate court, like the High Court and the Supreme Court. For those interested in non-litigation, they can go for law firms or in any legal department of a company. But here, legal research is a key skill to be learned. Read legal memos, briefs, judgments from across the world, read agreements, contracts, and then try to tie it with the laws they are connected with. For example, how does the privacy law of Europe change the user agreement of Facebook? Nowadays, online internships is also available. The work that you will get here will be mostly research based. So, do remember the points which I told you regarding research. Do you know that there is one more way of getting experience where you don't have to apply anywhere? You just have to start working. Do you know about it? Okay, fine, don't scratch your head. It is by resolving public issues.
अब कॉलेज वाले पॉलिटिक्स में आएंगे.
No, not like this. There are many problems people have everywhere. You know the solution or at least have an idea how to solve it. It is just that you haven't thought of solving it sincerely. For example, making a simple application to your municipal corporator or MLA for getting things done in your area. Or filing a basic RTI application. Taking initiatives for conducting meetings. Making periodic follow-ups for the same. Now, you may think that I am telling you to do social work. Then you are right. Of course I am. It is not necessary that you have to do it alone. There are many social organizations or small groups who are doing such kind of work and they are not related to any political party. By doing such work, you may not get any monetary benefit or any certificate here. And also, you may waste up a lot of time and money. But the amount of experience you'll get working with government departments, organizations, other people will be immeasurable. Last tips. Main point is that you have to plan how will you do it. Check your college timetable. When are your exams scheduled? Are you going to any family trip next month? And accordingly plan your internships. Remember that you have to apply for the internships well in advance. You may be required to apply before a week or at some place even before months. It totally depends on the law firm or the advocate. Always be ready for work. I've heard at many places that they don't give much work to interns. See, if they don't give any work, you find your way out. Find out what are the fellow lawyers working on. Search it on the internet, read some judgments about it. In short, do whatever you would have done if you were already a lawyer and that work was given to you. Try going for long-term internships of at least 2 months. But at the same time, if you think that you are not getting to learn anything, then try leaving it early. I would suggest you to intern for longer term under a trial lawyer at least once, as it will give you the exposure of the litigation system in India, which is the base of this field. If you are more interested in litigation, then I think you must watch this video. It's about a book named Legal Confidential, which contains a real story of a lawyer who started his practice in 30,000 courts and then he establishes his own corporate law firm. If you liked the video, then hit the like button and share the video with your friends. If you want to watch more such videos, then subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.